Yo everyone, in today's video I'll show you step-by-step tutorial how to unlock speed limits in every Xiaomi scooter. And now, how to unlock your speed limit? All you need to do after get Bluetooth connection, check this, and now our scooter is already unlocked. How to do it? It's very easy. To unlock your speed limit, you need this application Unlocker++. After install, open it. Now enter our serial number of our Xiaomi scooter. The next step is press button generate. Of course, your Bluetooth must be turned on. After get connection, wait to finish this process. After get connection, everything is work. All you need to do, we must check this speed hack. And now our speed limit is already removed. How you do it? It's easy. Follow all instructions in comment section and I show you step-by-step tutorial how to get Unlocker++ application for Android or iOS device in 2023.